The days are getting longer and longer, daily routines extend, and it becomes inevitable to not fall into the hands of anxiety. We tend to be more accelerated in general and, therefore, getting a pleasant and restful sleep becomes complicated. In the case of adults, it is recommended that they sleep 7 to 9 hours in a row for the body and mind to recover. However, if you have trouble falling asleep, you should know that, fortunately, there are natural remedies that can help the snooze come faster. Warm milk. Warm milk is one of the best options to induce deep and cozy sleep. It contains tryptophan, which increases serotonin in the brain, a substance that gives us feelings of happiness and well-being. The hormone melatonin is produced more under these conditions, and this is essential, since it's capable of arousing sleep, even in those suffering from chronic insomnia. Lemon balm. Lemon balm can help reduce stress, especially when combined with valerian. Lemon balm may help stimulate GABA receptors in the brain, which helps you fall asleep. Peppermint tea. Peppermint tea relieves stomach aches, due to its anti-inflammatory properties. By deflating the muscles, peppermint also decreases their intensity, allowing the body to relax properly. If you are preparing for an exam or an important presentation that keeps you tossing and turning at night, this tea is a great option to consider. Herbal tea. Herbal tea like chamomile is a better option. It is believed to have a soothing effect, is probably due to the flavonoid eugenin, a secondary metabolite. Valerian and peppermint teas are also known to relax the body and soothe the stomach. Cherry juice. Cherry juice, like milk, contains tryptophan. Therefore, it can produce the hormone melatonin, improving your quality of sleep. This juice has been tested in several studies to treat insomnia and has been proven to be one of the most effective options to combat it, ensuring more hours of rest at night. Coconut milk. Coconut milk contains magnesium and potassium, two minerals that are capable of relaxing the muscles and ensuring good sleep. In addition, it reduces blood pressure and swelling in the kidneys. Thanks to its large amount of natural electrolytes, it helps the body to balance and relax. Have you tried any of these drinks for better sleep? Which one is your favorite? Tell us in the comments section.